Printing barcode labels for Amazon FBA involves a few key steps to ensure your products are correctly identified and managed within Amazon's fulfillment centers. Here's a concise guide. Prepare your product listings. Ensure your products are listed on Amazon Seller Central. Each product must have an FNSKU, which Amazon uses to track inventory. Generate labels. Log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Navigate to Inventory and select Manage Inventory. Choose the products you need labels for by checking the boxes next to them. Click on the Action on Selected drop-down menu and select Print Item Labels. Select Label Preferences. Choose the label size and format you prefer. Amazon typically uses standard sizes. Download a PDF file with the generated labels. Print the labels. Use a laser or inkjet printer compatible with label sheets. Make sure to use high-quality adhesive labels to avoid issues during handling and storage. Load the label sheets into the printer and print the downloaded PDF file. Apply the labels. Affix the labels to each product, covering any existing barcodes to avoid confusion. Ensure the labels are placed on a flat surface for easy scanning. Verify and ship. Double-check that all labels are correctly applied and scannable. Proceed with creating your shipment plan and send the labeled products to the designated Amazon fulfillment center.